Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix YouTube video not playing on Android. So to do that, let's head over to our Play Store first. So now search for YouTube and now see if there is any update available. And once you update it, go back and here keep tapped on YouTube. Now go to the info. Now here go to the storage section. Now clear the cache. And after that, you have to check your internet connection if it is stable or not. If it is unstable or the network connection is poor, you can change it to your mobile data or adjust accordingly. And after that, you can restart your YouTube and now your YouTube might get fixed like this. So yeah, this is how you can easily do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next video.